Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Harbor Freight parking lot sale going on and going over some of the deals I think are worth it. And if you guys are going to pick something up, let me know down in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into this. So this is going to go on from Monday, March 3rd. So starting tomorrow through Sunday. Now the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th are just for Inside Track Club members for their early access, and then everyone else it will be Friday, March 7th through Sunday, March 9th. And they do have some pretty good deals going on. So up here at the top, we just see some of their miscellaneous stuff: microfibers, ammo cans, tarps, drill bits, things like that. Some of the cheaper stuff. They do have the 500 lumen LED rechargeable slim bar work light up here at $14, down from $30. They have the US General 42-inch roll cab for $500, down from $600, so $100 off there. Some decent savings on some of this other stuff. The Icon T8 professional scan tool at $789, down from $900, so $110 off on that. So here they're going to have in-store only the 30% off Hercules all corded power tools, 40% off Quinn socket sets and ratchets, which I think some of their impact sockets and chrome socket sets that they've released recently are going to be a really good deal. 50% off all Hardy gloves. These Pittsburgh floor jacks, I think they're always worth the money. I've had one for close to 10 years and absolutely love it. This is at $90. That's almost what I paid for it back then. So the fact that the price is still that low is a fantastic deal. I think I picked mine up for like $75. The original price is $140 right now, so quite a bit of savings on that. And honestly, I state this in a lot of my videos, Harbor Freight has so many sales and deals going on throughout the year. You never really have to pay full price for anything. All you got to do is wait for the right time and you can get a really good deal on it. Just more of their miscellaneous stuff. They got their wobble extension set here for $10, down from $15. The wooden dollies are always nice. This is at $8, down from $13. The heat gun, that thing's always good. It's very, very cheap. If you just need or want to have a heat gun on hand, they're very handy for multiple different things. $10 down from $20. Even at the $20, it's a great buy. But half price, that's not bad at all. So over here on the left-hand side, just more, the top is always filled with their miscellaneous stuff. These step bits are always a good deal. I've used them for years, and I just continued to buy them every 3 or 4 years. I'll pick one up once my other one goes bad. So here's a lot of the Bauer corded and cordless tools on sale. So they have a 2-tool combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger for $85. I think that's a good deal. The 1/2-inch high torque impact, this is the tool only. It does show a battery, but the battery and charger are sold separately. Just the tool is at $100, down from $130. Not going to go over everything. I don't have any experience or thoughts on the drywall sander or chemical sprayer. The Random Orbit palm sander at $20, down from $40. This is a corded tool, but I think that's a good deal, 50% off. Oscillating multi-tool, the corded version, $35, down from $45. Cordless rotary tools, not a fan of. I just went back to a corded one, and it's been my go-to, so I'm not going to suggest this. If you have it or you're thinking about getting it and it works out for you, more power to you. I'm just sticking with corded when it comes to rotary tools. Angle grinder and DA polisher. Angle grinders at $20, DAs at $40. Some decent savings on both of those. Actually, all of these have really decent savings on them. 40% off all cutoff and grinding wheels from Bauer and Hercules. These infrared laser thermometers are always nice to have on hand. Once again, my dumb body is in the way. So right over there in the corner, $15, down from $23. The jack stands with the locking pins, originally $50, down to $28. I think that's a great deal. Now it's available in multiple different colors. I love that purple. I'm sure those will sell out pretty quickly. The Daytona floor jacks, also a great deal. Harbor Freight probably has some of the best prices on quality jacks that you can find. So even if you're in your own shop or if you're a weekend warrior DIYer, Daytona and Pittsburgh have been reliable and have been used and abused by a lot of people, and they're priced extremely well for what you get. So this 4-ton rapid pump is at $170, down from $240. The low profile is at $125, down from $180. Icon snap ring pliers at $50 down from $75. Not sure if this, I don't think this is the USA made set. They do have a couple of USA made sets. Yeah, I don't think this is the USA made set. Here's the 1.5 ton aluminum racing floor jack at $80 down from $100. So a little bit of savings there. The Viking battery maintainers and chargers and jump packs. I've heard mixed reviews on these from a lot of people. I don't personally have experience with them. I'm not going to, so I don't really have any input on these, but they do have a little bit of savings on those. The US General famous 5-drawer mechanics cart is at $190 down from $280, so $90 off here, and I think this is still one of the best bang for your buck carts out there. Anything of similar size and quality is going to be quite expensive, and a lot of them out there that aren't of equal quality or size, some of them are even more expensive. So I think this is one of the best options out there when it comes to a mechanics cart. Not saying it's the best quality one out there. There are higher end quality carts out there, but you're going to pay for them. I think this is just the best bang for your buck one. The 72-inch triple bank Series 3 US General is at $1,400 down from $1,800, so $400 worth of savings there. I think those are great options as well if you're looking at maybe Husky or Milwaukee or Craftsman. If you're in this price range, I just suggest going with the US General. I think the US General is built a little bit better than, like, even my Husky box. I really enjoy it. I think it's built well for the price that I paid for it. But if I were to go back, I think I paid $850 for this. I would be okay with switching to this because I just like its overall design, build quality, and everything. I think they're really good as well. Now the pricing on them has gone up over the last 5 or so years, especially with the new Series 3 coming out, was it a year and a half ago now? I'm not exactly sure. But I still think they have a lot of good deals and they're good boxes for the price. Here they have their 225 piece set at $100 down from $140. These little Fortress air compressors, I really enjoy them. I have the 2-gallon, this one over here. This is at $170 down from $190. It is extremely quiet. It blew my mind when I first used it. I knew it was supposed to be quiet, but I didn't expect it to be that quiet. I'm not a welder. I don't do any welding, so I'm not going to give my input on here, but they do have what seems to be some pretty good savings on that. They also have a welding table at $150 down from $190. Looking for some cheap shelving options, this 5-tier over here isn't bad at all. Here they have their Union 24-gun combination safe at $500 down from $630, so a decent amount of savings on that. Their 10-inch professional rivet nut setter at $30 down from $50. I think that's a great option. I have this. I've had it for 2 years now, I want to say, and it's fantastic. I replaced a lot of things that I was using self-tappers and stuff to run, like my e-brake cables and multiple different lines and hoses and stuff. I was using the little hose clamps or whatever with a self-tapper, and I went through and replaced everything with actual rivet nuts and a bolt, and it's a lot cleaner, it's permanent, and very secure. So I think this tool is extremely handy for multiple different situations, and it's very, very affordable at $30. Even if you don't think you'd get a lot of use out of it, you'll be happy you have one on hand. Here they just have a lot of the Predator generators and gas engines on sale. A little bit of savings on them. Biggest savings on their 9,500 watt, and it's got $500 off. I think this is a pretty decent little parking lot sale. Let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys plan on picking anything up. I might run in and see what they have still in stock, because I'm sure a lot of this is going to sell out pretty quickly. So once again, the dates are going to start on this Monday, the 3rd, and go through the 9th, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday being for everybody. The first 4 days are just going to be for Inside Track Club members. So once again, let me know if you guys plan on picking anything up, what deals you think are best, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.